So in this clip, I'm going to be telling you how to use mindfulness to develop self-discipline. So yeah, one of the most important techniques to learn in your learning meditation is the technique called noting. And what that is simply noting when the mind gets distracted by any thoughts or feelings, simply observing them, not judging them or judging yourself for having them, and coming back to the breath or whatever it is that you're focusing on for your practice. So yeah, you can do the same thing, anytime you have thoughts that's telling you to procrastinate or that's telling you to order the takeaway instead of cooking, dinner. Or when you want to do something that you're supposed to do, but you talk yourself out of it, you can use this. You can use the same, technique. So just simply noting those thoughts, not judging yourself for having them, and just letting them go, and coming back to your breath and do what you're supposed to do. And over time, this gets easier, and you develop willpower and you develop self-discipline as a result. But yeah, at the same time, just know that you're human and sometimes you will give in to temptations. But yeah, try your best to get back on track after.